哦，我知道了，这里第一页好了。好，啊、那我们就开始讲吧。小猫打嗝啦，你要不要介绍一下自己？你叫什么名字？不，OK。有周月河，好。哎，为什么这里有一个这个东西？哦，好，我把它弄开。好了。
Hiccup. Oh no, he has the hiccup. Hiccup, hiccup.
Oh.
P.S. Grumpy Toe. How do I stop my hiccup? I know, said Grumpy Toe. You stand on one foot.
说大声点。这不行。
Pete stands on one foot. Hiccup.
这是为什么？
Pete asked
Charlie.
Charlie, how do I stop my hiccups?
这好像我换成片放的有点，这有点顺序乱了吗？P， 哎呀，我们，好吧，你就从这吧。为什么这有点不太好？应该是没错。好。Peter asked Charlie， 从这里开始。
Pete asked Charlie, how? I know, said Charlie. You stand on one foot. Pete stands on one foot.
Hiccup.
Hiccup, hiccup. Pete asked Gus, how do I stop my hiccups? I know, said Gus. You stand on one foot and hop up and down and sing a song. Pete stands on one foot and he hops up and down. He sings a song. Hiccup.
Okay.
Hiccup, hiccup, hiccup. Pete still has the hiccup. Pete asked Bob, how do I stop my hiccups? I know, said Bob. You stand on one foot and hop up and down and sing a song and rub your belly, said Bob. Pete does it.
Oh, no.
Hiccup. Nothing is working. Pete still has the hiccups. Go ask Mom, said Bob. Pete asked Mom, how do I stop my hiccups? I know, said Mom. You take a deep breath. Pete takes a deep breath.
这里已经换了一页了。
Hold your breath and blow your breath out, said Mom. Pete holds his breath. Pete blows his breath out. That's it? Pete asked. That's it, said Mom. Pete waits and he waits and he waits. The hiccups are gone. Moms are so smart.
那我们讲完啦。刚刚因为
对，谢谢月和。